kinari guchanjira gucha kukira ukayiga na affordable housing iga yabakonyera around yanganga information.
Affordable housing, it's a national government project.
Yes.
Nche ekinda tebe maybe abantu bari bakonyekire bari bakora egasi ororo. Banyorire some sort of income bekonyire in one way or another.
Yes.
But kero kore project, kero kora feasibility study. Remember now the engineering correct project planning and management.
Yes.
You look at the long-term goal of this project. What is the sustainability of this project? You got affordable housing na very gegekirbo. It's a walking distance from here which yororo. Nchabana kerongo chikoriro tumutuga iga umaite project ngo ikere ya sieku ya tebunga yerire. What next? Wono igega neri sabu maite bunoroche. Tinkagere tinga baba na achikuru mwaye achikomenye aenda komenyekirbo. So a project yeyu as much as ibata itinga kokora equitable distribution of development, I think egento bare kokora feasibility study kwanza barorenga region wise. A project yenere feasible.
Yes.
Yes, ba hakora igoma yakomanyanga region igete affordable houses, we can convert it to be this project irakonya abantu. Kwa mfano nche ikinare nare ko base committee yo bose abayiga bari ko analyze koreta chinyombechi. Maybe bari ko yeroka affordable houses bikona chukurwa saba fanyikazi bako na chuchibesa egere chacha gukora affordable housing. Ekiagera keroko nachu anene mono enambene ne kona chuchibesa ichi already they have houses.
Yes, established.
Already, yes, they are established people. Abange babo chinyombe chiga chiare kokonya. For example, muna chiaga chiri chinsemo chinde Nairobi, chinsemo chinde chi city. It is well and good. Kiagera there are employment opportunities abantu mbaganyeti chinyomba chyo komenya. Lakini igari sabu tindo chinga nyombe chinchi chiko konya a community. Tindo chusenji chiko bakonya.
Bakamuza cha komenya nga project etayo any form of employment stay around.
Kiagera
ndi muko nganya buruchinga chino ngano muchi kobera shwali.
Alafu nandege ntokende mu kwango tebiga. Before the affordable houses cyari go cyagaiga. Buna mwacha go cyamuru chinyomba cyaga kiri chipara go cyago. Chinyomba nchirororo. Maiga chinyombe chikwenda ko chimaiga. There are other rooms titamenyiri. Igobano affordable houses was not a pressing need as a locality yaito ya Nyaribari Masaba gaiga. Nchi kinare ko tebanga there are other pressing needs. Share kwa a priority. And then later on karabaretire infrastructures kwa mfano gari affordable housing ina tibuna nate yari ku infrastructure. Infrastructure is wide.
Yes.
But barosi non KMTC chinyomba cha KMTC. Asa yakine. Abana bagani chinyomba cyo komenya.
Abari chire gabusa.
None chichire bosa chiagachire a community benefit. One this is a project. It is going to die. Taringa nguye sabere eche kore kwerende chegu, but it is good to be realistic.
It's time bado.
Yes. Time yake haijafika. It is a project that is at a wrong place at the wrong time.
As we wind up, Duvati Dr. Kimo Fred Matiang'i kuri president. Unogora kwa okulengwa kwa flag bearer.
Omante ko chimutuga iga, siasere mutuga ne ere very challenging. Na intuna batoko sabainga Fred Matiang'i I go flag bearer because na what qualifications choko be leader. Omante ndiri okonyorenga in order for you want to become a leader you go through politics. But now we have politicians and we have leaders. Fred Matiang'i is a leader. So inchina bango tebanga saya to anchere I go flag bearer na intuma support ekiagera mukorore chinseme chigachara twarira aba president orere buna chire develop.
Tofauti.
Orere buna kanga buna mwacheiga eramimba kansa.
Nani lami? Anga chitabu chire kerase.
Chitabu kerase, chikabro kerase, chipare chigokotenganie chiemu MCA, chonsi ne chilami kerase. Woniga tigaba Gusii twensto chamo. So tebaninga amagenderero na amayakera gochainka. Nanda magenderero ya gochainka keroto bwatobomo. Nando bomo weiga etokoboleta boro kitu cha Chris Fred Matiang'i. Egere kakobomo umu president ito Kenya na Gusii nero tutware chipana twanikira none chibando buna abandi bakwanikira chibando chipara.
Kwangokira. Obo mu buchakira Fred Matiang'i.
Obo mu buchakira.
Ogo bala Matiang'i omna bo mu Gusii. Nero national no ko president. Is the only one we know. Maraga the way things are utira Matiang'i. So obo mu no bo chakira.
No bo chakira.
Dubato bugabana risk na mi kisiga ngayura.
umaitana nchi ne voter
ne voter
ma voter wono
nugase no pima
ningase ne gupima
uyu matianga to anero
uyu matianga to we support
so what am matianga ta children na united opposition aikete ve stake
nchindo chima changekete ve kyagera no ndiri twacheche streets ntwa motebete aikete
tatu bro tukubuka mambi
aikete ve na nchimna anto ante irisese nchomete ningirwete gokunae obe tuikete ve igobono kwangoseire
kabisa
nabo igobona na nchingote Fred Matiang'i aikete ve
sindio
aikete ve tumwakire chikura bari to kumwakira tubare tumanye chite chabachinganiga na ndinchi nindo chubo bwimutuga iga
kabisa you've come to the end of the show.
Thank you.
Speak to the people of Nyaliwali Masaba. Kamera you.
Nchabantu banyaliwali Masaba una tuikiriga ntete kora bayiranira imbuya mono ikiagera una nachagete sabari yega mwangorokiryo bwanchani aki mwangorokiryo bwanchani mbuya mono abangina abagaka abasae tigatochamo tere tubonchurire Nyaliwali Masaba egere round yeye tororo borai bwo youth na kibokoba egere tuchenji ebintu bina byabeire bigokorukuru maega toreta magenderero Nyaliwali Masaba mbuya mono
wow Mheshimiwa all the best.
Thank you so much
mbuya mono and I wish all the best.
Thank you
njana okay nawe muchumburo Nyaliwali Masaba umetekeroka naga na saya chisegi chichucha kubakera kirokali chisire bokwiro bugambire bugakere simibwata what tata yake Gusii spimbi yamu na sana sokera chinga kicheno go to follow kama kwa times na gokira sana uchaga gutarumo Mheshimiwa lisase bono nino wanda Nyaliwali Masaba ngwato kubwa lakini nche gwake kuraga mujumbe na roho tume next time ngenda kubati kwa times yaona sana.
Thank you so much.